We will put our focus at the environment beyond our immediate business landscape, and in particular, the emerging trends in renewable energy, and how we can take advantage of them using ITONICS. We will start and explore in the ITONICS showroom. First, we need to select our element type. Simply go to Select Option, and then choose Inspiration. Once done, all inspiration elements will be loaded onto your screen. Then we would like to filter them. Simply go to Advanced Filtering, and then select the properties you would like to filter by. In our case, this will be tags, and then simply add in the desired tags. Here we will use renewable energy. Once done, all inspirations related to our tags will be shown on the screen. Now let's open one up. If you scroll down, you will see how this inspiration element is related to trends. We can even open the trend here or open it in a new tab. But let's stick with inspirations for now. Since this particular one holds quite a great significance to our company, we would like to import it into our own personal workspace. In order to do this, we simply need to select the inspiration, then click on Smart Copy to another workspace, and choose our desired workspace. Then we click Copy, and voila! Now let's open a workspace. As you can see, our inspiration is already here and waiting for us. ITONICS offers the opportunity to comment on elements, so let's test that one out. Simply scroll down and go to Comments. Then simply say what you would like to your coworkers to see, and click Save. You can also edit or delete a comment, as well as react to one, or even reply. I hope you found this video helpful, and be sure to have a look at the ITONICS knowledge base for more help.